So the eBay app on your Android device is giving you errors. Invalid access token. There was a network error. First, I assume that the Android version on your phone or tablet is actually supported by the eBay app. At the time I'm making this video, the minimum requirement is Android 12. This phone is running Android 13, so everything should work fine. In fact, the app was working perfectly last week, but now it shows an error. And the eBay app is the most recent version. So the problem is not that the app is not up to date. If you search online for how to fix the invalid access token error, you'll come across the usual solutions. The main one is to clear the app cache and storage, and then log in again. At that point, it's often easier to just uninstall the app and reinstall it. So you delete the app from your phone, open the Google Play Store, and search for the eBay app. But now there's a different problem. The Play Store says that the app won't work on your device even though it was working just fine a week ago. If you look for solutions to this new issue, some recommendations suggest checking your Android version. In this case, it's Android 13, while the minimum is 12, so it should be compatible. Another suggestion is to use a passkey to log into eBay. However, that doesn't really help if the app won't install. You could try using the eBay website in a mobile browser, but that's not ideal. You won't get notifications, and some features may be missing. In my case, I don't even have the option to set up a passkey in the eBay web interface, even when using a PC. The real reason why the eBay app cannot be used or even installed on this particular device is that the device firmware does not pass the Google Play integrity check. To verify this, you can download an integrity checker app from the Google Play Store, run it, and review the results. This phone only meets basic integrity, which doesn't seem to be enough for eBay and some banking apps. I have another phone that passes all the checks and yet another that passes 2 out of 3 basic and device integrity. Passing 2 out of 3 appears to be enough for eBay to work. So why is this happening? These checks are not hardware level, they are firmware level. That means the phone manufacturer can release a software update that allows the device to pass them. Some phones, especially certain Chinese brands, may not pass any checks at all, or only one of the 3. Even beta versions on reputable brands like Samsung may fail these checks, while stable versions pass them. In this particular case, the phone received several OTA updates and the new firmware no longer passes the integrity checks. That's why the eBay app suddenly stopped working and why it can no longer be installed. The workaround is to sideload the app, that is, install it from a package file instead of the Play Store. There are many websites where you can download apps and several ways to install them, which Android still allows. So download and install the eBay app from a file, then try logging in again. On the first attempt, I got an error, Upstream connect error or disconnect reset before headers. However, after closing the app and trying again, I was able to log in and have been using the eBay app normally ever since. The only potential downside is that the app may not receive updates from the Play Store and could stop working if an update becomes required. In that case, you'll need to manually download and install the latest version. However, in many cases, sideloaded apps still receive automatic updates, so this usually isn't a major issue.
I am the god of YouTube. Like, subscribe, jingle bells.